Hi everyone, I'm Nalini on my YouTube channel. First of all, happy Navratri to all of you. Goddess Durga bless you with all the prosperity, peace, abundance, and lot of joy in your. Okay, so this video is going to be about my makeup video, of course, but there is a catch because I'll be creating two of the makeup video, and this will be a slight change, a transition. Because the first one will be the Garba look, which is so much like energetic and so much kind of dance form. And the second is Devi Ma's demeanor. We all know that how she is, the kind of rude roop and the kind of aggressive demeanor is so much powerful. It needs to be depicted nicely. So this video is about that, like how I quick shift from one. And meanwhile, I'll also be showing you how the whole getup looks. So let's get started. So I'm ready for the first look, which will be the Dandiya Ras look. So I have chosen one of the most crucial aspect is smoky eye. I love doing smoky eye, and also ये जो power होता है, ये जो vibrance होता है, जो vigor होता है, ये पूरे dance form में, that's so much energetic, so much joyous. I think that the smoky eye perfectly depicts it. So we'll be starting with smoky eye only. So I'll start with prepping my we'll do the eye makeup first, and then we'll go with the base makeup. So here is. So I have taken my kajal, which is a very thick kajal, highly super pigmented, and it's going to stay for long. So I'm just going to line my eyes first, and I'm also keeping this in mind that look होगा मेरा ये सिर्फ गरबा के लिए नहीं है, ये देवी माँ का भी जो ट्रांजिशन मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ वो भी इसी से बनेगा, जो एक सटल होता है बट बहुत highly, you know how Durga Ma is, like so much energy, a lot of things. So let's get started first, and slowly you will understand what I'm trying to do here. So this is the kajal, super pigmented. I'm trying to first line it up because this is a black and brown smoky eye. So first of all, I'm going to line. पहले मैं water eyeline, proper eyeline करने वाली हूँ दोनों तरफ से, the upper also and the lower lid also. Nice and very crisp. And I'm not bothered about जो हो रहा है या क्या हो रहा है, because that's the whole point. It is going to be like that. So I have done it like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm taking some, and also I'm taking my lid like this. जहाँ तक मुझे चाहिए मैं वहाँ तक करूँगी, इससे मुझे मिलने वाला है और मेरा काम जल्दी होने वाला है. So I'm taking this kajal only, the same kajal, putting it up on my eyelid. This is one of my best and most favorite doing smoky eyes almost all the time, and it just changes the whole. I love it. Here's my eyeshadow palette and the fluffy brush. I'm going to take the darkest eyeshadow, which is of course a black one, and just a black. तो जहाँ पे मैंने line किया है काजल से, वहीं पे मैं इसको इससे smudge करने वाली हूँ. जब लगे कि pigment और करना है, you can always add the kajal back. So I have taken up it like this. मैंने इसको crease भी करना है because I'll be giving an elongated eye look, तो इसको मैं थोड़ा crease out भी करूँगी. Like this. I think I'll be needing more kajal because मुझे मेरा eyeshadow बहुत dark है, especially when I'm doing this smoky eye. I like extra black this look for nicer effects, and on this video I'm trying to do this the darkest with. जहाँ तक eye crease होगा वहाँ तक हम इसे लगाने वाले हैं, and this is how it's going to look. So I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Now before I move on to the another eyeshadow, which will be a browner color, I'll have some and wipe it. But before that, इसमें जो भी product लगा है मैं इसे अपने lower lash line में smudge out, because ये smoky eye है and इसको नीचे वाले भी lash line को हमें थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा. we'll just make sure कि कोई सा भी harsh line ना हो. Before moving on to the browner shadow, I'm going to clean my brush क्योंकि मुझे जो अपना brown रखना है, I don't want it to darken up too much because of the color black. तो मैं ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा सा, not much, just like slight cleaning is okay. जो एक्स्ट्रा लूज प्रोडक्ट है वो निकल जाएगा, मेरे लाइन को स्मज आउट नहीं करेगा. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक, सॉरी, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक कोको ब्राउन. दिस ब्राउन इज गोइंग टू डू द फर्दर जॉब लाइक हियर एट द अपर, जहाँ पे ब्लैक का एंडिंग हो रहा है, एंड एट द आई विल बी यूजिंग अ ब्राउनर वन like that, and some will go again at the lower lash line, and we'll make sure that everything is connected and nothing stays unconnected. So we will join it to be like connected and pointed towards the sky, so like this. Anything extra at the corner of your nose, do not worry, we can always wipe out, because I see some has gotten I'm there. Just taking at the edge and wiping it with my tissue. The rest will be done जब मैं अपना face का base करूँगी, so it will be moved. The same can be done for your cleaning out. You can आराम से do with your foundation and primers. So this is the final and most अभी तक के लिए यही रहेगा to be the look for Navratri, and the quick transition will also be given to the Devi's look. And this is the pigment from Faces Canada. I'm using to this. ये थोड़ा shimmery है, black है but shimmery है. तो you know shimmer always. I'm going to just dab it here. You can see the shine, how it just creates so much of sheen. Like, so I'm just going to dab it like this on the same eye. This becomes the blackest of black with some shine. Just do at corners. Mascara. Falsies तो use करेंगे, but mascara is so much important क्योंकि falsies lashes है वो आराम से blend out हो जाता है और lower lash को भी एक drama add होता है. If you don't like wearing falsies, you can leave after you have done this mascara. But adding oomph factor, falsies are much needed. Also, I forgot to tell you that I'm wearing lenses, and this is a little brownish greenish color. Last time I wore a brown, typical brown, which was a sand honey color lens. And you can also play with a color lens if you wish to. And if you don't, you can just enjoy the color you have. ये है मेरा फर्स्ट आई लुक फॉर नवरात्रि इस वीडियो का, ये पहला आई. एंड नाउ आई एम क्विकली गोइंग टू शेप अप माय ब्राउज. फॉर ब्राउज मैं अपना सेम पैलेट यूज करने वाली हूँ, विच इज फ्रॉम Maybelline. आई रियली लव दिस पैलेट. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है इसे, यानी अब तक तो ख़त्म भी हो रहा है, बट जो ब्राउन कलर मुझे चाहिए वो अवेलेबल है, सो आई यूजिंग इट फ्रॉम दिस. सिंस माई आईज आर सुपर डार्क, मैं अपने ब्राउज को बहुत ड्रामेटाइज डार्क नहीं करती. आई लाइक यूजिंग अ ब्राउनर शेड. इससे मुझे नेचुरल लुक आता है अपने ब्राउज में, एंड आई लव लाइक दैट. तो स्टार्टिंग माई ब्राउज आर थोड़ा हल्का, एंड देन सेंटर में अगेन इट्स लिटिल डार्कर, तो आई मेंटेन दैट कलर. आई कीप ब्राउनर हियर एंड थ्रू आउट माई ब्राउ. जहाँ पे हेयर होता है हैवी, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी इट्स गोइंग टू लुक प्रीटी गुड. जहाँ पे नहीं है वहाँ पे इट्स गोइंग टू लुक natural. So I think that's the best, and this is how my brows is done. It's very slight. I don't like doing too much of brows. Done. Now we'll prep with our face. तो फेस के लिए हम यूज करने वाले हैं सुप्रा कलर एंड द फाउंडेशन. ये है सुप्रा कलर, ये है क्रायोलन का, और दिस इज लाइक a concealer for color corrector, concealer and lot of things. तो इससे ये आराम से फेस पे सूद आउट होता है. And my skin was prepped with the primer even before the video started. To cut short, I did that. एंड यहाँ जहाँ पे भी डार्कर जोन है वहाँ पे मैं सुपरा कलर अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ. दिस इज माई फाउंडेशन ब्रश एंड दिस इज पैक 109. It still has scent. I like this. Kryolan is so much makeup, I think. I really love playing around with Kryolan colors. Quickly, I'm blending nicely onto my face. So here I did the base. Now is the time for the foundation. My foundation is the same one. I earlier used to use the same, which is Kryolan color to be very precise. But now I have been using Revlon ka cream foundation. It's so much similar to my skin tone. This is natural, 24 hours natural tan. I'm going to blend with the same stippling brush. Stippling in a circular motion. It just settles out all the color. Before moving to our contour part, I'm going to put lashes up. This is the range of lashes. इसमें से आपको जो भी अच्छा लगता है आप डार्क करने जा सकते हो. बट यहाँ पे आई एम प्रेफरिंग थोड़ा नेचुरल वाला ही लैश जो कि है दिस वन. मैंने ग्लू लगा के लैशेस को थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ दिया है. मीनवाइल आई विल बी डूइंग कॉन्टूर फॉर द लाइटर कॉन्टूर्स, the basically highlighter part. So I'm taking a lighter one and I'm putting it here. With the same stippling brush, smudging it up nicely at the corner of my eye because that's the most important place where I need my highlighter to be. For the lower contour of my eyes, I'm going to reline it. This way. Now I'm taking some setting powder और जहाँ पे मैंने highlight किया उसको करना होगा so that it doesn't crease out. तो ये मैंने पाउडर लगा दिया यहाँ पे. मेरा जो ये ट्रांसलूसेंट क्रायोलन का ही पाउडर है. And I love these products from Kryolan. So this is how I am setting it up. So this has been set. Now I'm taking back again my Flush Free brush and I'm just touching up. I'm not taking any extra product था पहले मैं उसी से इसको वापस से spread out कर रही हूँ like this. Okay, so I think lashes are done and they have become pretty sticky now. Lash पे लगा लेती हूँ before it just this has become pretty much good sticky and you can see so much is like twisted upward. That's what I was talking about, the kind of drama it gives. The lashes are now done and you can see the lashes are so much white part दिख रहा है, that is going to go away. अभी हम शुरू करते हैं darker highlights. Highlights have been done, the contour part needs to be done again. So I'm taking the darker ivories and lining up just at the cheekbone where the cheekbone immediately ends. तो ये वहीं पे ही होना चाहिए. I prefer it like that. I'm not putting at the upper, just darkening it upward a bit around the jaws. Slight here. Now with my stippling brush, I am taking up and making all the go up. Remember, you have to blend it all in the upper manner. Don't droop it out. Nice. And you see shadow happening onto your face. जो भी प्रोडक्ट आपके ब्रश में लगा होगा ऊपर भी कर सकते हो बट डोंट टेक इट कॉन्टोरिंग क्योंकि मैं उससे भी करने वाली हूँ. Bronzer is so much better in this manner. Okay, so this has been done. I'm going to wipe my lip gloss. This is absolutely not the color for my lip. Basically, this is a tinted lip oil and I had just kept it keeping my lips moisturized until I have been doing my makeup, the whole makeup. Okay, so now's the time for some bronzer because we love bronzer. We love the shine, and that's the whole point of festivities, to shine. So I have been contouring. I will be doing and at the forehead some very close to my hairline and here. जहाँ पे मैंने बताया है वहीं पे करना है, इससे ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं करना है. Otherwise, your face would look so much like drooped out. And you don't. Some at the nose. This is very essential. It adds so much shine with a lot of drama, I think. So I love doing this. Bronzer is absolute favorite. Any bronzer, just if you have bronzer, that's a good way your skin go sun-kissed, sun-tanned, and nice. Okay, after this, we have, and I'm taking this blusher come highlighter, and I'm using this pink blusher because that's at the cheekbone and only at the side. So now you can see all the colors coming back. And I'm just applying at my cheekbone and not on my nose or anywhere else. Because I've already given enough with bronzer. Nose ko proper shaping, proper shine, everything has been given. Putting some on my cheekbone area. In here. Temples. That is it. Now you can see all the colors have come back. Now is the time for the lip color. For lip color, I'm going to choose something which is similar to my present lip tone, which is a nude color only. I'm using Eurogirl brown color. If you want, you can put up proper line. Lip liners के साथ. मैंने ऐसे ही use किया है because I'm pretty much frequent with using lipsticks. So this is the lip. Applied a very natural looking lip color also. Um, any lip color of your own choice. But this is the natural shade I prefer for my skin tone. And here it is. Smoky eye with brown lips. And I think it's absolutely a fiery look. I mean, it just looks amazing. Now, glitter lip gloss, which I'm going to apply. Because we girls love glitter and shine and everything. So now, फटाफट से we are going to do our hair. It's going to be a vibe of um, Navratra effect. So let's finally do it. Open it up. Okay, so this has been textured. मैंने अपने बाल में थोड़ा मूव अप्लाई किया है जिससे वो थोड़ा सा उसमें टेक्सचर जहाँ पे भी वो बेंड हो तो वो एक वहाँ पे एक होल्ड ले ले. For that, I'm going to put some to start with to decorate my hair. And I think for that, these kind of thin laces would look good. I'll show you. Here. And I'm going to just, braid with this lace. तो मैं यहाँ से 3 पार्ट ले लेती हूँ बालों का. ले सकते हो जो भी आपके बालों का साइज या लेंथ में जाए. You can put that and ऐसे करके इसको you can just braid here. You can take up whatever you wish to. So this is my way and I think you can just add up जो भी अपने हिसाब से आपको ऐड करना हो अपने बालों के लिए आप वो कर सकते हैं. So for accessories I have a neck piece which is so much like this which I'm going to just put and I'm going to tighten it up from back. The rest I'm going to leave the way it is. So this is going to be my head bun. Like that. एक ऐसा ईयरिंग है टिपिकल है. We can decorate इसको भी अपने बालों पे ये डेकोरेट कर सकते हो. इसको just you can just like place it like that and it's going to be here and there. This one also I'm going to just put here. All right. There are some more. You just can place few things here and there, just decorate your hair. Want to, or as you wish. Cool. So this is giving a typical Banjara vibe now. Now's the time for the earrings. So for earrings, I prefer the chunkier earrings. तो यहाँ पे मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ ये वाले earrings. Like this. You can just see it's just giving us so much prettier vibe. I think I love these chunky earrings. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. ये सारे मैंने flea market से ही ले रखा है. I have not shopped it from in store. And there are a lot of flea markets, trust me. And they look prettier. Just check out. So this is the whole upper get look. Okay, we are still left with certain things. Very जो ऐसे minor से details. The bindi. Any color. But black is most preferred. Like that. And for the nose part, I think I'm going to use a black and then I'm going to use my chunk. Like this. Some golden bindi also for my nose. Okay, both fell. I think that's a bad idea. Perhaps I should leave that. Face now. So time for the tattoo. I'm going to put some bindis again. This is so much important because it just gives me a whole at instance. So this is it. And also I'm going to bring my another nose pin, which is a rhinestone one, but since one is here, it is going to look pretty much okay. I'm like just putting it like this ताकि ये ऐसा लगे कि ये एक ही एलिमेंट का बना हुआ है. And here. Cool. Now's the part for tattooing. Let's initiate. For the tattoo part, pencil, my liner pencil, and I'm going to tattoo my skin. I've just made it bigger to consume a larger area. Okay, so this is the first look, and I think I'm done. So hey, welcome back after the first look, which was Garba's look, and for Devi Ma's look, because of course Navratri ho or Ma Durga Ma ka, like we don't remember her. That's impossible. So this Durga Ma, I just try to recreate this look, and I think for that I'll need to change my lenses. And for eye look, I saw similar, which is like very elongated and very big eyes. Also, I have done my putting some those red colors alta into my hand. So here it is, my red color. जब तक मेरा phone और microphone charge हो रहा था, I was putting these colors, and here I am. I have gotten everything जिससे मुझे घर में धुआं करना है. The scent is so divine. I'm loving it. और जो flowers है, there are some flowers also. So let's get started to the makeup. I'm just so much scared over here, and I don't really know how to create that because slight mistake and every face can turn into a red thing, and I'm just scared. So I'll just start with wiping some of my uh, or some like touch up, not wiping basically, but touch up करना है मुझे इसको और भी थोड़ा, kind of making it pointy. And okay, first thing first, so I'll have to change the lenses first because I want here very brown color. So the same brown which I have been so much fond of, I'm going to wear that brown only. So here is this lens case. इसमें है मेरा brown color, and I love that color. I'm going to wear it. So I'm taking it out. I don't have the pick lens holder, or I don't know what do we call it, but वो मेरे पास नहीं है, and I don't find it so much visible also क्योंकि it just gives me that sensation that I'm gonna poke my eye. So I just use my finger because I have control so much on my finger, and they are clean, of course. So here is that lens which I was talking about. Quickly wanna put in back. So this is the color I was talking about, so that even if I go for a closer look, my eyes get a definition, like a differentiation, because that was so much matching, the upper eyelid and this one. So yes, that's another one. That was basically a green color, the earlier one, but merged so much with my natural eye that but abhi nahi chal raha tha that I was wearing anything. Okay, this is going to tear up a bit. It's already building up. It's temporary and it's going to go away. So I think almost eyes are almost done. आंखों में मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Only the tear has to go away. So I'll be like, it won't. It'll just quickly pass out and it won't. Lashes भी मेरे drench नहीं करेगा, and then makeup भी as such ruin नहीं करेगा because I haven't used fixer. क्योंकि change करना था makeup so much feasible. Okay, let me check if मेरा microphone मेरा चल रहा है. पता चलता है बीच में कभी-कभी बंद हो गया है. So cool. So now we are starting with my fluffy brush. Can't find it. Here it is. And the blacker shade. And with the point, I'm taking foundation. Okay, I think it's still tears still there. I'll have to wipe it up so that मेरा जो form का आई शेडो है वो गीला ना हो जाए. Perfect. Now I'm going to do is taking the black color and इसके जो टीपी टॉप है ना उससे लेने वाली हूँ. And I'm just making it a line here. A line like this. इसको थोड़ा डार्क elongate करना पड़ेगा. Like this. And connected at the lower level like that. That's which you can see, which is like a shadow, but that's going to go away because I'll be wiping it. So here also I'm going to do the same, closing my eye, making a line like that. और ये वो complete fill होने वाला है वहाँ. Now like that. Perfect. Now that's talking about, and I'm not using any other color because any other color will be too much lighter for it. थोड़ा सा मैं कर सकती हूँ. Dark brown लिया है मैंने, the dark brown, which I earlier also used. So usually black and brown को use करते भी हैं for those stuff like that. And here it is done. All right. Now I'm gonna wipe my fallout like that. Now you can see it has cleared up. So there is nothing now. So that's the eye. I'm going to for Devi Durga's eye makeup. So I'm going to take some definition here for the liner part. That's the cut of my eye, which is like that. The line of my eye again. Darker करना होगा इससे मुझे. So time for the lighter shade. और इसके पहले मैं थोड़ा सा इसको वाइप आउट फिर से करने वाली हूँ. You can see कितना सारा इसमें प्रोडक्ट निकलता है. तो लूजली अगर एक ही ब्रश या यू गोइंग टू यूज, यू डेफिनेटली नीड टू क्लीन अप, क्योंकि लाइटर शेड में यू डोंट वांट टू मिक्स एनी डार्कर सो दैट ऑफ कोर्स डार्क ना हो जाए. वो मतलब जो उसका ट्रू कलर है वो ट्रू ही रहे, कुछ और ना हो जाए. सो मच थिंग्स आर देयर, सो बी क्लीन. लाइक क्लीनिंग इज एसेंशियल, सो आई डू क्लीन दैट. Okay, this is my highlighter, which I am taking in my brow brush. No, sorry, shadow brush. And I'm taking it here. Sorry, I popped it into my brow, but that was because I was just, never mind, I'm going to do it again. Like that. That's just for it. Now, brow palette leke, again. Oops, मैंने अपने brows में कैसे लगा लिया? Somebody was sending me a message and I'm like, I started looking at it and I, so I'm darkening it up again, thoda sa, like that, like that. And this one is fine. इस पे मैंने कुछ भी color नहीं लगाया, so this is fine. So now that's the look I was talking about. So that's the whole look. Eye look was same as I said कि eye का color, eye का जो makeup था वो मैंने choose ही ऐसा किया था कि वो same ही हो. Now's the time for थोड़ा bigger red bindi. So I'm going to take out my golden bindi and my black bindi, red bindi. This is this size. I think I need a bigger. But let's go with this. That's the color. And that's the bindi. That's the bindi and that's the golden. So this is the bindi which is going to be my Durga's bindi. Now is the time for some sindoor. So that's not sindoor, that's basically tilak. So let's put some. So I have got my red sindoor. But before this, I'm going to do some dramatic effect on my forehead. That will be with my red pencil, makeup pencil. So I'm just trying to just here put some color. And I'll blend with my brush. I'm not sure how it's going to, but let's see. This is my favorite from Brush Mermaid collection, and I like putting my, bronzer with it, but today we are not. I need some beauty eggs for this. I'm going to blend out my skin. It's not getting blended because it's not like that kind of lipstick. It's just so stained lipstick. What should I do for the red color? Do I have anything in red shadow? Perhaps. Let's check my palette if I do have any red. There is one. There is one. That's Spanned. Let's put some. This is the red color, the Spanned one. I'm going to take some bronzer ke saath and making it up like this. I think that would be sufficient. Get out with my fluffy brush. Also, I'll take some bronzer to cover up the line so that it mixes up nicely. Red line और ये दूसरा line अलग अलग matching ना हो. So I'm just trying to make it थोड़ा shimmery and shiny. Now, that is it. Now, this is going to play an essential part in making the whole drama here. I'm looking कौन से brush से मैं करूँ so that it doesn't make a fall. Like this, I'll have to do. It's not sticking up properly. That's how it's going to be, I think. The red is the red of red. I think I'm going to use my finger now to put some here and some on the face. ये बिल्कुल ऐसा जो ये सिंदूर है बिल्कुल ऐसा जैसे मैं लगा रही हूँ तो ये ऐसा लग रहा है ठंडा ठंडा मुझे यहाँ पे और ये ऐसा क्यों है मुझे नहीं पता like that. I think that can work. क्या बोलती चंपा? So this will be the demeanor look, and I can use some Mantika maybe. I may. Lip color is going to be the same because otherwise it will be so much like loud, which I don't want. And as far as the design is concerned, थोड़ा सा और मैं लगा ही लेती हूँ यहाँ पे. I'll have to show somebody. This is just looking so weird to me. I don't know what I'm doing. Guidance from someone from my home. That I don't know if I've done a good job enough. That's looking weird to me now. I'm not sure. So perhaps we can change the color. We can try at least. So let's see how it looks. I'm taking some napkin. मैं जल्दी से पोंछ लेती हूँ. This was typically a brown. इसके ऊपर मैंने थोड़ा गोल्डनिश लगाया था for the look. अभी जैसे भी समझ नहीं आ रहा कि ये हो क्या रहा है. Give me some time to understand. अभी समझ नहीं आएगा but थोड़ी देर में maybe you will understand कि क्या हो रहा है ये. Whoever is looking किसी को भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि चल क्या रहा है. इस वीडियो में. So understand that this is देवी माँ का जो है वो मैं recreate करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. So this is the makeup. उसको थोड़ा darken करने की ज़रूरत थी because वो light हो चुका था. And okay, color which is I'm going to use. This is going to be the lip color. इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा I think gloss लगा सकती हूँ. I'm going to use my chili gloss. This is the color. Cool, so I'm done. Now